Hey everybody, welcome back. This is video number 6, 7, always forget. But here we are, back with this. And I think today I kind of want to do like a smoky type of look. Keep it kind of simple today. Or do I want to do something editorial? Smoky. We'll keep it smoky today and just keep it simple. So without further ado, let me go ahead and prep my eyes and I will be right back. Alright, so here we are. I went ahead and did my complexion first. My eyeshadow primer is on, which the Too Faced eyeshadow insurance, still going strong with that. This actually looks really good. But look at how, like, for it being a cool tone, it's very orange. I love it, but there's still some shade missing. And I actually set with a little bit of this. So, I'm going to go with the Plum Noir, which is going to be this one. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this. Like, I really want to do a smoky. Just packing it on. And I'm just going to pack it on first. And look down, because that is sometimes, well, go up to the crease sometimes. So just covering it right over basically my eyelid. Look at how it just opens up my eyelids a lot more. Sometimes it's just the simple things. And going in with a blender brush, I actually need to buy a new one. This is actually from MAC. And just really begin to blend out those edges. Perfect. Yeah, I just want to keep it like very simple today, very smoky. Old school smoky with that one color. Perfect. And you just build up the intensity you want, in all honesty. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, gotta love a good old smoky eye. And now I'm gonna go in with, if I can find it, a pointy fluffy brush, going back into that Plum Noir. I'm just putting this on the bottom. And just begin to smoke out the bottom, and I'm gonna go all the way around. And connect it. Because even for me, and with these type of colors, you really got to be careful, because sometimes it could just make you look a little sick. So, going back in with the fluffy brush, just begin to smoke everything out. And let me dip into a little bit of that. Perfect. And then we just begin to smoke it out. Hence a smoky eye. And then on top of that, I'm actually going to go in with this peach one, that one. And just really go over the edge. And then going back in with the fluffy brush and just begin to marry the two, basically. And actually, let me go in with fluffier brush. That is very, very pigmented. And they're just going back in on top of that again and blending it out, in all honesty. You, bruh. Yeah. I have my windows open because it is finally nice and cool, so it might be a little loud. Perfect. And then let me go ahead and go in. Oh, it's a boat. People on a boat partying. So nice. Perfect. So that is basically all I'm doing today for the look. Just keeping it very simple. And nay. Oh, Yoans. But I think for the inner corner, I am gonna go in with, what have I not done? Gold. You can totally hear them having a full-on conversation. Oh well. Gonna go ahead and dust away the fallout. And this is like a big reason why I always like to do ice first. But I could go in over it with my concealer again. For the inner corner, I actually want to do... Shoot. I'm gonna go in with this gold. This one right here. No, last video I did that. Let me go in with this gold. And just begin to... Perfect, actually. We just begin to blend it out. And blend. And then for my brow bone, I'm gonna actually just go in with the Skin Show, whatever this one is called again. That one. Yep. That's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm going to do. Actually, let me just go in with a fluffy brush, because I just love the iridescent shift this has. Like, oof. And you know what? As a highlighter, just so we have an evenly from the brow to the cheeks. There we go. To the cheeks. Oh. There we go. Let me go do the other side and I will complete the look. And here is the final look. So for blush, I'm going to go in with MAC Blunt to just sculpt the face a little bit. For blush, I went ahead and used what colors did I use? The fuchsia, pink, and the peach mixed together. Is literally all I used. I just need to sculpt a little bit under the cheek, just for a little bit of depth. That's all. Nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy, nothing too bold. So for blush, I went ahead and used this one and that one mixed together. And for highlight is the Skin Show, and yeah, we are actually done. And then for lips, I don't know what I want to do. I want to keep it very... Oh, yes. The drama. For lips, I'm going to do... One moment as I grab the iconic Naked Rose. The Naked Rose. And yes, I am sitting on the floor. So... love the formula. I am still waiting for her and I'm hoping they really do bring back the dreamscape full size is what I want. The Opulust gloss, or at least the trio again. And that is the biggest thing I love about Pat McGrath, Charlotte Tilbury, Fenty Beauty, all those brands that really do more of those minis. Because these actually still last quite a while. The Dreamscape lasted quite I think all throughout my Natasha Denona series. And yeah. And the lipsticks even last quite a while. Well, for me, because I don't wear lipstick on a daily basis. But alright. So here we go, people. The final look of this smoky eye, and I went ahead and used the Man Eater from Tarte just to line my do the ring inside my eyes, basically. But hope you guys enjoyed something very smoky, different. Yeah. Actually, I haven't done a look like this for a while without tape. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new. It's starting to get hot in here again. But as usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits of the final look. And I love this foundation. And I'm actually really digging a lot of, what am I using? Light Medium 2. I really love using this powder a lot. Same with the Becca, these two. Oh, I use those a lot too for the looks I'm creating, just to really give more of that blurred out look, basically. So, without further ado, until next video, and happy day. Happy day.